guys, Joe here, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to be checking out some weird thing we got in the last video. Not you, Mandy, sorry. You already had a video about you. Okay, so the thing we are checking out is this. Can you place it down? Is it an enchantment thing? Oops. Oop. I was in creative. Okay. I'm gonna wait. And then I'm gonna do it. I need to go kill some people. Yeah. That's better. Oh, it's so laggy. What? Owie. Ooh. So guys, we are going to explore for a bit, and then we are going to see what this weird conduit thingy does. Why hasn't this tree grown yet? This one has, but you haven't. I will grow you again. I will grow you here. I need some bones. Need bones. Need bones. Need bones. Oh. Ooh, zombie. Hi. Hi, Mr. Zombie. My name's Alfredo. My name's Bertha. Haha. No skeletons? Oh. Looking for some skeletons. Ooh, chicken. Okay, no, nothing in there. Ah, I need a skelly bob. Come on. A skelly bob. I need a bone. Shh, guys, don't make a sound. This will be our first skeleton. I will defeat you, Skeleton. Yeah, yeah, hiya, 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 hiya. No bones. No. Shh. Enderman. Let's back away slowly. Just checking on him. From here. There he is. Can you see him? I can see him. I need a pumpkin. I know that penguins don't hurt you. No. Oh, Oops, I said penguin instead of enderman. That's a bit mean. Sorry, enderman. I know you're not really a penguin. Why did you call me a penguin then, you meaner? Oh, I'm so sorry. What's this from? What is this from? A vindicator? Yes. What is it? Weird. What? Let's see. I need some bones. Need a bob. Need a skeleton. Can't even find a skeleton. There it is. Next to my sword. Can you see it, guys? I can see it. Oh, doesn't endermans get hurt in the rain? I'm gonna make the enderman sad. Okay. Okay. The enderman won't follow me in here. I'm safe in here. Yeah, no skeletons or anything. Oh no! Ow! Spider! Ah! Ow! Ow, what are you doing? Ah! How did you get in my house? Yeah, I need to block up that hole. Mobs can get in there. With the strongest metal known to man. Actually, strongest metal, probably obsidian. Hooray! I'm gonna make my swimming pool more secure. Yeah. What? Okay guys, so I'm making this even more securingtons. Even though it wasn't secure to start with, so I'm doing it. So I'm just doing this, guys, and I'm going to try and make it secure. It won't be an outside pool anymore, it'll be an inside poolatron. I need to go up. I need to oops. Yeah. I'm gonna need more material. No. You. Hmm. 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 Done. Can I sleep? I wanna sleepy. So guys, let's go. Da 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 na 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 na. Let's go, killer. Oh, I heard this like noise. It was a turtle. What's wrong with you, turtley wurtley woo? I'm gonna call you name tag. Hang on. A fish came out. Great. I'm gonna call the turtle Count. Count Stan. Yay. I made you a thing, turtle. Count Stan. That's great. Count Stan. We need. Where did we get this from? I don't know where we got this from. Let's go. We need food, actually. Ooh, can we burn this for our kelp? We can. Burn the coffee as well. There. Can I burn leads? I don't know. Quick. Oh, I got one piece of dried kelp. It will have to be it. I'm just gonna. We need a lot of steaks, don't we, guys? Steaks to the rescue. Because no one likes rotten flesh. Oh, Count Stan is here. Come on, Stan, get in the water. Get in the water, Stan. Otherwise you'll be sad. Do you not want to go in the water, Stan? Okay. Ooh. Can I put a lead on you, Stan? Oh no, you're a cute little turtle. Isn't he, Mandy? Okay. Oops. Okay guys, so this is going to be the end of the video, and I will see you guys next time.